doves in the wind. Pussy like doves in the wind. Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Kayla Stacks back at it again with another video. And as you can tell by the title, I got a camera. I'm so excited. Like I cannot function right now. I have been waiting on this, and my original plan was to get this for my 1-year anniversary on YouTube, which was the 22nd. So I'm like ecstatic to like do this right now. Holy moly. Okay, this one came with an accessories kit. I can't. A little bag, and then I can have an SD card. I wanted to make sure I got a set with the SD card because I didn't want to have to spend extra money when I can get it in a set. But basically, I got the Canon powershot, and it's the sx740, which I compared this to the Canon G7X, and this was basically the one that was next to it. The only difference is kind of the quality. The G7X does blur the background and this one doesn't, but I felt like this would be like the best decision for my first camera. So after looking into it, I finally got it. I'm so happy. This is not funny. I can't. Okay, y'all, do I just open it or like seriously, I have been waiting for this for so long. Wow, I'm scared. Okay, so it comes wrapped up pretty tight. We love to see it. Okay, I'm gonna give this bubble wrap to my brother. Oh my god, it's freaking gorgeous. Can you see this? Oh my god, this is not real. This is not real. Oh my god, like I'm gonna cry in this video. Please cut the cameras for real. Okay, so of course it came with the battery and all of that, so I'm about to go ahead and kind of get it set up. Oh, it comes with a little wristlet thing. That is so cute. Okay, and then the battery charger. This is adorable. Please stop playing with her. She is not one of them. Okay, let's put this in. Oh my god, that's the flash thing. Y'all, please, somebody. If I cut it on, is it gonna put? Okay, so it's telling me to set the time in the day. Holy freaking moly. I'm so dramatic. This is not okay. Okay, let me stop playing and actually show y'all something worth seeing. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna find where to put the SD card. Where do you put this? I'm actually really curious. I'm guessing I put it somewhere in here. No. See, I could have used common sense the first time around. It would have been alright. Okay, so everything's in there. Everything's all in there. Let's cut her on. I should really show y'all like me in the camera. Okay, I'm gonna record a clip, I think. Hi. Okay, do we just hit record? I'm actually recording. Hi, I'm Kayla Stacks. Hey, you know what? Please don't play with her. Please don't. Please don't. Thank you and goodbye. Oh my god, this camera quality is like that. Stop playing with her. Okay, Miss Girl, I see. Okay, let me cut her off before I get a little too hyped. Basically, I was really set on having this camera because the flip screen, and I knew the quality was going to be worth the money, besides like really breaking the bank on the Canon G7X Mark. So I'm just really overall happy with the quality and like the price. Like everything came together so perfectly. So yeah, basically if you're looking for a camera, babe, this is it. This is it. So yeah, I really hope that y'all like this video. Comment, subscribe, and stay blessed.